Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, September the 15th. Quite a week it was. We ended up finishing in the negative, a red week across the board for the first time in more than a month. E-mini S&P was down 12 and a quarter at 1984 and 3/4. Ended up losing 1% on the week. The low on Friday was at 1979 and a half, the lowest we've been since end of August, middle of August anyways. Dow futures down 52, did recover near the close 16,991, lost a percent there on a weekly basis. The Nasdaq finished the best, but we did have a key reversal on a weekly basis. New highs last week and a lower close, lost 0.5% across the board there. 4069 and 3/4, down 21 is where the Nasdaq finished on Friday. The dollar was at -8 at 84.38. We had the euro currency at 129.49, up 25. The euro, believe it or not, ended up finishing unchanged on a weekly basis, but it did make some new relative lows there. The bond market, big sell-off on Friday, down 114, 135.27, continued unwinding there with pushing yields higher. Crude oil market was down 55 cents, 92.30, lost $1 on a weekly basis. And gold getting hit hard again, down 7.5 at 12.31 and a quarter. On Friday was a close. The low of the session was 12.28. So after the negative action last week and the negative close on Friday, where did the market stand on this Monday morning? Well, we've come back. We were sharply lower overnight, come back down 1 3/4 in the E-mini S&P at 1975. We're on the December contract right now, so focus on that. The all-time high in the December contract from a couple weeks ago anyways is at 2002 and 3/4, so not that far off. Dow futures down 10, 16,896. NASDAQ futures down 2. The dollar's continuing to be firm, up 12 points at 84.50. Euro currency 129.22, down 27. We're getting a bit of a bounce in the bonds after the sell-off on Friday, up 7 ticks at 136.02. The yields are at 3.34% on the 30-year and 2.60% on that 10-year note, solidly above the 2.5 level, actually gained 15 basis points last week alone. Crude oil off 80 cents at 91.50, and gold getting back $5 at 12.36. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we recovered from overnight losses. We're down 1 3/4 in the E-mini S&P. We're down 10 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.